Hello friends, so today with our new video, we are going to see how to set up Google Authenticator in Instagram. So let's see. First we will open Instagram and then click on the profile. After clicking on the profile, right after that, click on Account Center, then click on Password and Security. After clicking on Password and Security, click on Two-Factor Authentication, then choose the Instagram ID. After choosing the Instagram ID, click on SMS and WhatsApp. After clicking on SMS and WhatsApp, click on Change Phone Number. Then you need to enter the number here. After that, we will click Next. After pressing Next, an OTP will arrive. Copy the OTP and paste it here. After pasting, press Next again. After pressing Next, Google Authentication will be enabled on your Instagram account. If you like the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.